Are there websites that will pay you to answer simple questions using ChatGPT? The answer is yes. And in today's video, I will walk you through exactly the steps you need to take to start making anything from $10 to $100 every day, answering simple questions on one secret website that I'll be sharing soon in this video. There will be no need to skip any part of this video because in all my videos, I go straight to the point. So if you are interested in quality updates about making money online, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you won't miss out on any future updates. To start making money online using this method, you first need to create a ChatGPT account if you don't already have one. To do this, visit investorblack.com/ChatGPT. On the right hand side of your screen, click on sign up. You can manually type in your email address and password or simply choose to set up an account automatically by clicking the button that says continue with Google, continue with Microsoft or continue with Apple. After setting up your ChatGPT account, you need to give ChatGPT access to the internet. The reason why you want to give your ChatGPT access to the internet is because ordinarily ChatGPT's knowledge model is limited to September 2021. This means that ChatGPT cannot answer questions about events or developments that have occurred after September 2021. To do this, go to google.com and search for the term Web ChatGPT for Chrome, Firefox or even Opera Mini depending on the browser you're using. Click on the first link on your search result. Click on Add to Chrome and enable the extension. Web ChatGPT is a browser extension or plugin that will give your ChatGPT access to all the latest information from verified sources on the internet. This way, your ChatGPT will not be limited anymore and will be able to answer all the questions that this website called Answeree.com will be paying you to answer. So as you can see guys, Answeree will award you 10 points per contributed answer, 2 points for every comment you get under your answers, and up to 500 points if your contributed answer is performing well on the Google search engine result page. On Answeree, every 10 points is equals to 1 cent. This means that for you to make $1, you must get 100 points. You can easily get thousands of points every single day if you follow the steps in this video and post according to the directives that I'll be giving you in this video. So guys, before I proceed further, there are some things I would like you to know about Answeree. Like for example, if I head over to this website called similarweb.com and I search for Answeree.com, you will notice that Answeree gets a whopping 12.7% of its visitors from the United States, which is a top tier country with a lot of buying power. It also gets a lot of traffic from other countries like the United Kingdom, Russia, India and the rest. Aside from getting most of its visitors from top tier countries, Answeree also gets almost 100% of its traffic from organic searches, which is one of the main reasons why I picked interest in this website. Also, if I head over to this website called whois.com and search for Answeree.com, you will notice that Answeree is an aged domain, meaning that it has been around for up to 4 years. This is another trust indicator I normally look for when reviewing a website. Answeree.com has been around since 2017 and will be due for renewal in 2024. Even though Answeree has been around for so long, it has just 3 reviews on Trustpilot.com, 2 positive reviews and 1 negative review, so I wouldn't base any of my decisions on their Trustpilot reviews. Now that you have some background info on Answeree, it's now up to you to decide if Answeree is worth your time or not. I personally think Answeree will be a perfect traffic source to promote affiliate products in the health and wellness niche. So instead of limiting your earning potential by just answering questions to get paid, you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone by systematically driving quality traffic from Answeree to your affiliate links by carefully following the steps in this video. So the first thing you need to do is to create 2 accounts on Answeree.com. One account will be used for asking questions and the other one will be used for answering questions. To get started on Answeree, visit Answeree.com. Click on the user icon and click register. On the next page that says register as a new user, type in any username of your choice, your password, your email address and finally solve the CAPTCHA. Then click on the button that says register. A verification email will be sent to your email address. All you need to do at this point is to click on the link contained in the email that they sent you. Next, log into Answeree and set up your profile and preferred payment method. To do this, click on the user icon at the top right corner, click on your username, switch to My Account tab, and then fill in the form with your correct details. Answeree currently supports 3 methods of payment at the moment: PayPal, Binance Pay, and UPI Pay for Indians. PayPal is temporarily down at the time of making this video, but hopefully it will start working again. You can use your Binance Pay ID as your preferred payment method, or if you live in India, you can use the UPI option. This particular account will be used to answer questions that you will be creating with a second account. Now, you are not expected to post random questions like some persons are already doing on the platform. You will start by picking a niche. I recommend you pick the health and wellness niche or the beauty and skincare niche, as these niches usually have strong buyer intent behind their questions. So if you pick the health niche, it means that all your questions will be health related questions and your answers will be answers containing links to health related affiliate products. So the next thing you need to do is to pick an affiliate product to promote. There are many places you can get your affiliate products from, places like ClickBank, Digistore24, Leadbeat, Amazon, and Shopper. For this tutorial, I'll be using ClickBank. If your country is not supported by ClickBank, you can use Digistore24 or Leadbeat.com. As you can see, ClickBank has a wide variety of health and beauty products to choose from, and also you can earn recurring commissions by promoting ClickBank products. So what I want to do now is to search for a health related product on ClickBank with high commission and recurring commission. To do this, head over to ClickBank's marketplace and choose the health and fitness category. On ClickBank, products are ranked by gravity, and gravity represents how many sales a product made within a specified period of time. Gravity is an indicator that a product is performing really well in the market, so I will go with this product that has a gravity score of 577.91. This product called Live Pure is a weight loss product that will pay you a commission of $148.42 per sale and a $15.07 recurring commission subsequently. This means that you're going to keep earning if the buyer keeps buying. The next thing I want to do is to head over to the affiliate page of this offer to learn more about this offer. You can do that by clicking on the button that says affiliate page, then click on the link that says Google Drive. Next, click on add thumbnails and download one of the add thumbnails by clicking on the 3-dotted menu and clicking on download. The next thing I want to do is to head over to Google and query the search term, how do I lose weight without exercising? Since this is exactly what someone who is having a hard time losing weight is likely going to search on Google. The next thing I want to do is scroll to the people also asked section and copy as many questions as possible to my notepad. You can get even more related questions by querying the copied questions on Google again and scrolling down to the people also asked section again to copy even more questions. These questions are real problems faced by real people, and you can potentially make a lot of affiliate commission if you provide the solution to these problems by answering health related questions on high authority sites like Quora, Hub Pages, Blog Loving, and Medium. After pasting those questions on your notepad, you need to get your affiliate link. To do that, click on the blue button next to the product that says promote. Type in splash and click on the blue button that says create hop link. Next, click on copy and paste your affiliate link on your notepad. After copying your affiliate link, it's time to create your systematic splash page. This systematic splash page is a non-intrusive way to promote your affiliate links without linking to them directly. To create your splash page, you need to set up a free account on UrlFlex.com. UrlFlex is a very useful link management software for affiliate marketers that will help you promote your affiliate links and track their performance. To set up your account, visit UrlFlex.com and click on the green button that says Get Started. Next, put in your username, your email address, and your password. Then agree to their terms and tick the I am not a robot checkbox. After this, click on the green button that says Register. Check your email for the email verification message that they will send to you shortly and click on the link contained in the email to verify your email address. After verifying your email, log into your UrlFlex dashboard, click on the button that says Custom Splash and click on Create a Custom Splash. To create our custom splash, we need to have a banner image and an avatar image. To create your banner image, head over to canva.com. Under Create a Design, click on the Custom Size button. In the width field, type in 980 and in the height field, type 500. Click on the button that says Create a New Design and you will be presented with a plain canvas. On the left menu bar, click on the Uploads button. Click on Upload Files and select the product image you downloaded from ClickBank. Next, click on the image to import it into your canvas. Resize the image to your taste and add a good headline to your canvas. You can do this by clicking on the text button located in the left menu bar. Next, click on the button that says Add a Heading, and then in the text box, type in a strong headline that will compel the viewer to click. Play around with the design until you have a result that looks very nice. Next, at the top right corner of your Canva dashboard, click on the button that says Share. Click on Download, choose PNG, and finally click on Download again to download the banner image you just created. To get your avatar image, go to google.com and search for the term Health Free Pic Icon. Choose any suitable icon image. It should be a square image and also it should be in PNG format. You can download the image by right-clicking on it, clicking the Save Image As option and clicking on the Save button. Now that we have downloaded both the banner image and the avatar image, the next thing we need to do is to upload the images. To do this, go back to UrlFlex and upload the banner image under the Upload Banner section by clicking on Choose File and selecting the banner image you just created with Canva. Next, upload your avatar image by clicking on Choose File and selecting the avatar image you just got from FreePic. In the name field, type in the name of the product you're promoting. In the Link to Product field, paste the affiliate link that you copied from ClickBank. In the Custom Title field, type in You Need to See This, and in the Counter field, type 20. In the Custom Message field, type in This is a special offer. Finally, click on the blue button at the bottom to create your custom splash. Now that your custom splash is ready, it is time to start answering health-related questions on Answeree and Quora. For Answeree, go to your Answeree dashboard. At the bottom right corner of your screen, click on the button that says Ask Questions. Copy one of the questions you got from the People Also Asked section of Google and paste it into the field that says the question in one sentence. If the question has already been asked before, then no need to ask it again. Simply go ahead and answer it from your other account that you will be using for answering questions, or ask another closely related question. Under Category, select Health plus Fitness. Under the More Information for the question field, type in a more detailed question and try to sound as natural as possible. Under the Image field, upload a related image to the question or leave it empty. You can use stock images from canva.com or get images by searching for the main keyword in the image section of Google and downloading any relevant image the same way you downloaded your avatar icon earlier. Next, submit your questions for approval. Once it's approved, you can answer the questions from your other account using ChatGPT and refer to a support blog via the Read Also Call to Action button. While your answers are still pending approval, you can answer existing questions related to your niche. For example, I can go to this question that I asked with my other account and answer it using ChatGPT. To do this, prompt ChatGPT to answer the question and add a Read Also Call to Action button. Next, go to Google and query the question you are about to answer. Pick any high-ranking blog post and shorten the URL of the blog post with UrlFlex. To do this, go to your UrlFlex dashboard, click on the settings icon next to the blue button that says Shorten. Click on the drop-down under the Redirect section and select the custom splash page that you created earlier. Next, paste the URL of the related blog post, add a custom alias, and finally click on the button that says Shorten. Now go back to Answeree and paste the answer response that ChatGPT gave you. highlight the Read More button and click on the button that says Insert a link. Paste your shortened link and click on the button that says Insert. Next, tick the checkbox to get notified when someone comments on your answer, and finally click on the button that says Add Answer. Now, whenever someone reads your answer and clicks on the Read More button, they will be shown your splash page for 20 seconds before they are taken to their destination. Within those 20 seconds, most of them will end up clicking the blue button that says Visit Site. And if they buy the product after clicking, you are going to earn a commission. You can repeat this process with other sites like Quora and Medium. Check out this other video to learn other ways to make more money with ChatGPT.